Let's begin the entry into our iPhone 5, starting with the two pentalobe screws. We have one on either side of our lightning port connector. With these two pentalobe screws removed, we want to utilize a suction cup on the front face of our screen closest to our home button. Once we have a small bit of separation created, you'll notice we used our fingernail to continue that separation to allow our display assembly to be lifted up and reveal our iPhone's internals. There is a small metal cover protecting the connections for our display assembly. Go ahead and remove the 3 Phillips screws that are securing it into place. And once that protective plate is removed, you'll notice the 3 connections for our display assembly that we can gently pry up on, and it should now be free for removal. With our display assembly separated from the rest of our iPhone, we can now bring our attention to removing the battery. You will notice that the connection for our battery is protected with a metal cover. Let's go ahead and remove the 3 Phillips screws that are securing this cover into place. And gently pry up on the battery's connection to release it. Now, to completely remove the battery from the iPhone, we need to pry it up out of its secure location. Unfortunately, this time around, Apple decided to put a lot of adhesive to secure this battery in place. Be careful when prying this battery up, as you might cause damage to it, so please do use caution and a little bit of patience, but eventually it will come out of the phone.